Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to S2H. In this video we're gonna talk about the Lavalier microphone that I'm wearing right now. It's from a brand called Moana. So let's see how it sounds. Actually, this is the first video that I'm recording using this mic, and normally I'm using this mic to record this video. So you will get a fair idea of how this mic really sounds. I bought the mic a couple of days ago through Amazon. It costed me around 800 Indian rupees. So that's that. For those of you guys who aren't a part of this channel, I already posted an unboxing video of this lavalier microphone. It's in the card above or in the link in the description below. Okay, so this is the actual microphone. Let me just turn it around so you get the idea of where and how this mic sounds at what angle. All the audio that I just recorded was using this microphone, but now it's from the camera. I just plugged it out so you get a fair idea of how it sounds. For this video there isn't going to be any audio editing, so you guys get a fair understanding of how this microphone actually sounds. There is actually construction happening right next to my home, so it does a fair job of cancelling all the background noises and taking my voice into consideration, whereas the smartphone that we just heard, it doesn't do that. Let me wrap up this video with pros and cons. The pros is that it has a really long cable which can be used for various purposes. It is just 800 Indian rupees, which is really good and sounds really good. So on with the cons. The cable is not braided. That's the only issue here, but you can complain around this price range. So that's that. That's it for this video guys. If you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to S2H. In this video we're going to talk about the lavalier microphone that I'm wearing right now, and it's from a brand